So we're having a really eventful field. First we brought the going for shear bolt, now we ran out of twine, which is I guess a good thing. So we ran out of the ball of twine. We usually have two. Somehow they were uneven when we bought the baler. We've just been running them uneven, but I'm sick of that, so we're gonna actually just load 2 new bales in, or 2 new balls of twine. So we run the Sassel because it's biodegradable for when if we missed picking it out. So I'll go ahead and show you how to swap these bales out. Alright. You guys see that right there? There's an arrow. Alright, so the one you start with is taped to the side nicely, so just pull that out. I have 2 little twine holes here. So they're a real pain in the butt to feed through. Usually what I do is I pull enough out to fold it in half so it's a little stiffer if you run out. This one we'll just tie onto and pull through, but we didn't get that luck. Yep. Okay, pull the other one. There you go. Alright, leave it. Same thing, ball number 2. It's nice if you have somebody, otherwise just push it through for a little bit. This one, just tie a quick little knot. Make sure the knot's small enough to go through the hole. Alright, now you got the 2 strings here. You gotta go through this one here. Usually you'll have to do this on both. Again, fold it in half, makes your life easier. Okay. And since I only need to rethread one, because we'll just let this one pull through. Actually, we'll just rethread them both so they're at the same length. I get down and dirty with this bad boy. Alright, so you want to run it underneath. Gotta run it up underneath here. And there's an eyelet back here. Good time to clean your baler out too, which believe it or not, I cleaned this before we started, so. But there's an eyelet. Push it through. Push it through your needle. And now you're threaded all the way through. So then we come over here. Ease of use. Tie it off here. Alright, just cut your other twine off. You don't have to, but makes life a lot easier. Just cut the twine off and just rethread them both. Life's easier that way. Go ahead and push it on through. Same process. There's an eyelet. Your needle. Grab it, bring it up here. Tie it on. And then we'll go ahead and fire up the baler, trip it, and these will become loose. tie your twines all the way up. And the pieces you got tied on the loop, go ahead and take them off, and you should be good to start bailing.